As soon as you are born into this world, you are measured. From temperature to weight percentile, your first breathing moments are the subject of multiple measurements. As humans, we have this obsession with measurement. We created numbers to help quantify the natural world. Humankind has advanced because our species has mastered control of our environment. By using numbers, and hence measurement, we can chart progress and attempt to speculate what the future may have in store. In the financial world, numbers can have an incredibly large impact. Their influence can make or break a company. A slight movement in inflation, unemployment, or commodity prices can roil the financial markets. Rational human thought is often sacrificed to large-scale computers that analyze these numbers, with the end result often being the allocation of billions in capital. Not all numbers are created equal. What I mean by that is that different numbers hold different value. It really depends on what the numbers stand for. If a penny stock drops 15%, it is not usually a significant loss. However, if people speculate that the price of crude oil is going to increase, then many people will invest in oil funds. If the speculation doesn't hold true, and the price of oil drops by, let's say, that same 15%, many people are going to lose a lot of money. This shows how dependent we are based off of these numbers that we ourselves created. Data significantly influences the world as well. The scientific method is a never-ending cycle because there's always more data to collect and always more information to discover. Studying chemical engineering, I am well aware of the benefits that quality data and information can give to us. Collecting and analyzing data help lead to scientific breakthroughs such as vaccinations and space travel. However, this can be a double-edged sword. As humans, we often overly rely on data, and sometimes data can be misleading. It is not difficult to manipulate data and convince the reader of a conclusion that is not always valid. How often have data-dependent pharmacological studies led to drugs that only later are found to be ineffective or even dangerous? In the past, dietitians relied on data that said eliminating fat from your diet is a healthy and effective way to lose weight. The problem is that their data lumped all fats together, and today we know the difference between good fat and bad fat. The food pyramid my parents grew up with is not the same as the food pyramid I did, yet the original food pyramid was a government-endorsed guideline that millions relied on. Lastly, I want to touch upon hard facts. Facts are essentially parameters. By knowing something is true, people can use this information to find out even more, which can bring unlimited benefits to mankind. However, I think hard facts should always be treated with skepticism. In the book Thinker Toys, McCullough mentions Edison's salt test. Essentially, the story goes that whenever Edison would look to hire someone, he would invite them over for a bowl of soup. If they salted it before trying it, they failed the test and wouldn't be hired. This is because they made the assumption that the soup needed to be salted before trying it, and Edison didn't want his employees to assume anything. Hard facts can be detrimental because it has the potential to make us more closed-minded. With 2,332 patents by the time of his death, Edison understood that one must always question facts in order to innovate. That's why it is important to use facts and build upon them to discover the unknown. But at the same time, one should question those same facts in order to expect the unexpected. Numbers, data, and hard facts are all units of measurement that humans created to quantify phenomena of the natural world. Our reliance on them helps decision makers determine a course of action. It takes foresight and an open mind to realize that a blind over-reliance on numbers, data, and facts can at times be detrimental instead of beneficial. That is why it is important to be precise and always question the status quo. Thank you.